Hey guys, Nick Drossel. So today we're going to look at how to strike in movement. So this is where your boxing, your footwork comes in. And people always ask me when it comes to, self-defense. They ask me, oh, what system should I take? And a lot of times there's no self-defense school in their area, but there's always a boxing gym everywhere. And boxing is your base, your footwork, your timing, your speed. So if you have a basic understanding of boxing, well, striking and movement is not a big thing because you have your hands up. If I'm here, this is when I'm using my boxing. My hands are up, boom, I'll pop it this way. So if I'm here, as I'm moving, boom, I'll step in. So I'll practice to move and strike. Move, boom, and strike. Move and strike. Same thing if I'm here, no, I'll kick and I'll move, okay? If you guys want to practice this, the practice is as simple as just going on a punching bag and just work your footwork, moving, bap, 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 bap. And you just work on pivoting as well. You can do like some footwork drills where I'm moving, I'm striking. Put your hand up pat like this, just boom, boom, boom. Just work your speed. And at the beginning, just kind of coordinate the speed, the footwork with the striking at the same time. You can go slow at the beginning, so you can start with just working your strikes with just kind of moving, and then you can add some footwork. Again, if you want to really learn how to strike and move at the same time, start with the basics, guys. Start with just boxing. You're going to get to learn all the fundamentals of how to throw a punch. The only difference in the street, what I would do instead of punching, you could always have the option to palm strike. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit my website, codereddefense.com. Stay safe and stand strong.